In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your comment history on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app, and once the app is open, tap right here at the bottom right corner where it says You, and then tap at that gear. That will show you several options. Here we need to tap at Manage All History. We'll be taken to this page where first off we need to sign into our Google account. Then right here tap at Interactions. And that's where you will find several options, and make sure you tap at comments and replies here, not at comments, likes and dislikes. Once you've done that, you can scroll down, and that's where you can find all your comments you have ever left on YouTube. Here, all of them are sorted in chronological order from recent to oldest. And that's how you can find them. You can find the text of your comment, you can find the exact video you have left your comment to. From here you can tap at that video, you can watch it again, and also if you would like, let's say, to delete your comment, you can easily do so right from here. To do that, just hit at that cross icon, and then your comment will be immediately deleted from YouTube. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.